I have been commissioned to paint this fence behind me for a brand new rental property here in Miami. It's in a beautiful new Lennar community, and I can't wait to get it done. This space is like untouched. I've got this bucket paint sitting right here. So I'm going to try to cover that, get my doodle grid up, and then just start painting this like it's supposed to be. So let's get started. It is day 2. Oh my God, you won't believe how much easier it is to paint this when I'm not having to go ahead and roll the fence with color. Thank God I did it the right way this time, even though it took me 3 days. So was it the right way?